All right, coming up, more Wick. You know, we always have more footage than intros when it comes to Wick. So here's some of Wick prepping the cowl on the sides of the firewall. And a little bit of discussion and banter. Wiper motor, check. Booster master, check. Parking brake, mounting brackets, check. We are coming along. What you scraping, Wicky Wick?
15-year-old masking tape.
Oh, wow. Here we go.
For some reason, they put masking tape on here and just left it.
Oh.
Not really sure what that was all about, but we don't really need it.
I'm assuming they probably had a hot date with their cousin.
That's quite possible.
Had to,
You can tell they really like seam sealer. Like they went
Jesus.
just absolutely crazy with that stuff. I don't even know why it's there. I guess they were doing this and might wipe their hand off maybe? Who knows? What do you think this is for?
Ooh, are we gonna uncover surprises?
I hope not.
I
A
hope
little
not.
rust. Yeah.
Fucking great.
Yeah, they go crazy with that stuff, or they did. I don't know. It's kind of like, what do you think happened here? Like, it's like they beat the shit out of it with a ball peen hammer and then put putty in it. What's wrong with them?
MISS. ISS. IPPI. That's what's wrong with them.
That's just crazy.
I am gonna catch some shit from people that live in Mississippi,
Yeah.
but
I don't think everybody in Mississippi's like that, but definitely the guys that worked on this car were.
yeah.
I think they had other issues too. Maybe they were from West Virginia originally.
West Virginia, is there a lot of meth in West Virginia?
I don't know. Should be.
Oh god.
There isn't Dezarov Springs. We know that much.
Wick's getting the shit off. And then we're gonna shoot the top of the cowl and the edges of the firewall. Quickly. Progress.
Getting there. That just doesn't look right. Does it?
No. Look at it, it's wavy.
Yeah.
Like the reflections I can see are probably different than what the camera's picking up, but
Yeah, this is funky. Funky Cole Medina there.
Alrighty. I just told Wick I didn't even know that was running. Wow. Finding anything odd?
Just the use of seam sealer as filler for some reason. Like you can see, this is probably where the welds are, but I don't know why they just scooped that in with seam sealer. You know, I'm guessing those are spot welds there. I don't know what was going on here. But
We gonna need to bust out our filler again?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think we'll be all right. But one of the few times that a gasket scraper is a body work preparation tool is here on this car. The first.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen that.
No, they just invented that. Probably patented it.
Wick's a damn genius, everybody.
Look at this baby looking like she's brand new. Without 15 gallons of seam sealer everywhere where it doesn't belong.
No seam sealer, no mountains of Bondo, because Lord knows we've had enough fun with that.
Seriously.
And coming along. The ones on the
This one's got the
actual thing is
So
adjustable.
that's a permanent deal there. Ain't no getting that bad boy out of there.
So how much of this shit did you find loose? You were just telling me when I was...
This whole
laying
side
under the
here, every
dash.
single one of these was basically finger tight.
That's cute.
Just loosen them up a little bit and that thing dropped right out. Just dropped right out.
Right on the floor.
Right on out.
Wick's getting ready. Prep, paint. Making perfection. We've just were discussing, Wick and I, that how the more shit we find on this, how he's actually here working on it,
Yeah.
as opposed to
Dead somewhere?
being dead in the car, a beer can. Because as you've seen it, watching all this, there's a lot of bullshit.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. All the finger tight stuff.
Finger tight,
Corner cutting.
half-assery.